Hey, it's Tesla Canuck. Welcome back to another video. My good friends at Jowua have sent me a few more products to review. I've talked about this company before in the past. I like their products because they focus on quality. There's a lot of shady stuff out there for your Tesla. These guys, though, have great stuff. So here's what we're going to do today. And I'm going to put chapters in the description and you'll see them when you're playing the video, just so you can jump to what you want to see. So first up, we're going to do an unboxing. We get to see what's in the package, what do you get. Then I'm going to go out to the car, I'm going to install this stuff, and then I'm going to give you my first impressions. All right, so feel free to jump to where you want to see. Let's get started. Okay, the first product up is a center console tray organizer, and this one is specifically made for the 2021 Model Y and Model 3 that has the refreshed center console. So this is the first one that I'll be taking a look at that has something uniquely made for the center console of the refreshed Model 3 Model Y. Let's open this bad boy up. I don't mess around with my box cutters. I know you see some puny ones there on some of these unboxing channels. No, not here. I've got the trusty heavy duty, hope I don't slice my fingers off, box cutter. Ooh, I don't even think that went through the tape. I think that just went right through the box. Yeah, let's just keep going here. There we go. Let's open that up. Put that away. Okay, let's take a look and see what do we have here. All right, so this is what comes out of the box, and if you use my code on top of a discount, you'll also get this handy little USB Type-C to USB Type-A, doohickey thing. So let's call it that. That's always very convenient because, as you know, in the newer Tesla Model Ys and Model 3s, it only has the USB Type-C, so having a C to A little dongle here is definitely helpful. And this is the center tray. It's got a rubber, feels like, yeah, it's got a rubber insert here. Let's pull that out. Yeah, it's a soft type of rubber. Feels nice to the touch. This is great because you'll be able to pull it out and just clean if you've spilt something in here or you've got something nasty in here, that kind of stuff. And here's just what the tray looks like without the silicone kind of rubber piece to it. So this one is obviously gray. First impression of the product is that, this thing is built to last. This is not a cheap piece of crap. This is actually a very good quality, well-constructed, durable type of plastic. So that's very exciting to see. All right, let's put this aside and let's move on to the next one. This next product that we have here is a center console cup holder. And I assume it's going to be the similar type of silicone kind of rubber. Let's open this puppy up. You could do some damage with that. Okay, let's open this up. And pull it out, put the box away. Okay, again, this feels really soft. Sorry, I'm really OCD. This feels really soft, and yeah, you're going to be able to take it out of the cup holder and clean it, which of course is one of the biggest issues with just crap accumulating in your cup holders in your Tesla. So that's not a good thing, but this is a good thing. So excellent. Now, here's some good news, is that Jowua was kind enough to provide me with an extra sample, and I'm going to give it away. So stay tuned to the end of the video and for details about the giveaway. All right, let's start with this compartment here. And I don't know about you guys, but just a bunch of junk goes in there for me. And if I need to find something, it's like going on a treasure hunt. So yeah, you're not finding anything in there. So introducing this piece here, and let's take a look and see how that fits in. So it goes in just like this, and it's got a space here because there are two USB Type-C ports just down here where my fingers are. You can't see my fingers, but I can see my fingers. Down here, trust me, is a USB-C port or two. And the wires, there's a spot for the wires here to come out. So that's really great. What I really love, which I think is a really cool trick, is this slides like this. Like there's rails here of some sort, and you can access your treasure trove down there if you ever need to, or if you just need the things that you frequently need, like for me, it'll be like these GoPro thingamabobs, or maybe I'll have my Rode microphone there or something like that that I can just access easy and then dig into the depths here if I ever need to. So that is quite an awesome product. I am definitely going to use that. That is going to stay in my car 100%. All right, let's take a look next at the cup holders. My good buddy Tesla Motherfunker did a similar video with the same product, and his cup holders were like absolutely nasty. Sorry, Motherfunker, it was absolutely nasty. I don't know how you live with yourself. Anyhow, mine is, it's getting kind of nasty, not as nasty as his, but that's why this product I think is really super awesome, because it just fits into the cup holders just like this, and it's made of that silicone rubber. It's soft to the touch. Nothing's going to vibrate in there because it's like a shock absorbing type of material. And the other thing too is if you have your Tesla card, there's a slot down here. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera, but let me pull this out and I can show you. So right here you can see there's this line across, and you can slide your Tesla key card underneath that so it stays in place while you're driving. Now, I'm not sure who's using the key card. If you're using the key card, this is the product for you. If you don't use the key card like me and you just use your phone, well, keep doing what you're doing. All right, so that is super cool. I'm loving that product. And as I mentioned, I have one of these to give away. Jowua actually sent me another product too as well. And this is a multi-purpose USB cable, universal cable they call it. So it's got USB-C to C, USB-C to micro USB, USB-A to USB-C, and USB-A to micro USB. That's a mouthful. Okay, all you need to know is it probably works with everything except for an Apple. Yeah, that's an oversight. Anyhow, it seems like a great product. It's got the braided cable, that kind of stuff. Woo, it supports 60-watt USB-C power delivery. Okay, this is an awesome cable. You know what? I'm going to give this away too. So let's talk about the giveaways. So I've got this, and I've got one of the cup holders, and here is the deal. So if you want to win this, make a comment. Make a comment, make something funny, make me laugh, make me cry, make me whatever. I'm just going to pick a couple of comments that resonate, and I'm going to, give these two pieces away. This one and one like this. Now, normally this is the part where I say that you have to be a subscriber in order to win some awesome products. You know, I'd love it if you subscribed, but you know, if I rub you the wrong way and you can't bear to possibly see another video, that's okay too. Leave a comment. I don't care. Subscribe, don't subscribe. You're still eligible. How about that? I'm just feeling generous today. I want to give some stuff away to just anybody. So that's what you need to do. Make a decent comment, make me laugh, make me cry, as I said, and good luck. Okay, that's it for today. I'll give it about a week and I'll just pull the comments that resonate, and I'll get those shipped out. One caveat, because of the ginormous expense of shipping something to Europe or Asia, unfortunately, I cannot ship to those locations. So it's continental United States or Canada. I really apologize. But yeah, the shipping costs are just outrageous. So unfortunately, that's just the way it is. All right. Thanks for watching. Tesla Canuck. Over and out.